Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all in your English class. My dear students, as you all know, from 27th of July, this upcoming Sunday, your exams are going to start. So today, we will revise the topic alphabets and their phonic sounds. Phonic sounds क्या होते हैं? Alphabets, you all know the alphabets. A, B, C, D are the alphabets from A to Z. These 26 letters are called alphabets. And what is the phonic sound? Alphabet को बोलते टाइम A, B, C, D. जब इनके थ्रू कोई वर्ड बोलते हैं, जैसे A says A for apple. Apple बोलते टाइम A का जो साउंड आ रहा है, उस साउंड को हम कहते हैं phonic sound. So today we will revise the phonic sounds. So let's start. Here, first letter is A. It's a small print A. Small print letters you can see on the board. And here I have the capital A. This is capital A and this is small a. Here, my dear students, you can see a tree. And here I have the capital alphabets written on the apples. This is the tree of apples. We will hang these alphabets serial wise according to alphabetically A, B, C, D serial wise we will hang it on the tree. So let's start this activity. The first is A, capital A. We will hang it here. A. This is small a and this is capital A, and the A makes sound A, apple, ant, axe. And how we can write A? See on the board like this. Make a little curve up and down. This is A, the formation of A. The next is B. B, the small b. And how we can write the capital B? This is the capital B and this is the formation of small b. How we will write B? Standing line up and the curve. And B sounds B. B sounds B. Ball, book, balloon, bag, and many more things you can say with a single letter like A for aeroplane, ant, aeroplane, and B for ball, book, bag, and the next is C. C sounds K. C sounds K. The formation of capital and small b is similar, but the capital is big in size and the small is small in size. So here we will write the small c and K. It sounds K. The next is letter D. The letter D. The capital letter D. And here is the small letter D. D sounds D. D sounds D. D dog. D doll. D dolphin. D duck. So how we will write the D? Look here. A standing line up and curve to the left. The next is E. E sounds A. E sounds A. Here you can see the capital E and here is the small e. E sounds A. Elephant. Angel. And how we can write E? A little slipping line and curve like C. this type, इस तरह से हम E लिख सकते हैं. And the next is F. Here you can see an apple and F written here. Here is a fish. Fish. F sounds fur. This is a small print letter F and this is capital F. And the sound of F is fur. Fish, fur, fruit, fur food. The next is how we can write the fur, standing line and a little curve on it, and a little slipping line. Next letter is G. Here you can see a capital G and here it is a small print letter G. G sounds G. G sounds G. G, grapes, G, gun. So how we will write G? Let's see. A little curve like C. Make a little small C. Up, down and a little curve. G. G. G sounds G. The next is H. H. Oh, but your ma'am knows the apple of H. But here I have one more capital H. You can see here. This is the capital H. And this is small h. Standing line up and little curve and down. This is small print H. H sounds her. H sounds her. Her hat, her hut, her hand. The next is I. The capital I is like this, standing line, slipping and slipping, and in small print writing only a little standing line and a dot. This is small print I and the sound of I is E. The sound of I is E. E, igloo, E, ink, E, ink pot. The next is J. Letter J. This is the capital J and you can see the small j here on the board. Standing line, a little curve and a dot like this. This is small j and J sounds J. J sounds J. J, jug, J, jeep, J, jacket. Next is K. K for kite. K for kite. Capital and small k are similar but different in size only. The capital K is like this and small k you can write like this. In between four lines, the capital K we write like this and small k in between two these lines. And K sounds K. Sound of K is K. K, kite, K, king, K, kangaroo. Next, here I have L. And which picture is this? Look here. This is a lion. L for lion. L sounds L. L sounds L. Here you can see that small L, this is only a standing line in between first three lines. And L sounds L. L sounds L. L leaf, L lamp, L loin. The next is letter M, the capital M. M for monkey. M for monkey. And the small m is like this. Write a small standing line. Up, curve, down, up, then curve again and down. M. M sounds M. M sounds M. M, monkey. M, mango. Next is N. N. This is a capital N. And the sound of N is N. N. N nose, N nib, N nest. And small N is here. You can write it like this, standing line, up, a little curve and down. The next letter is O. O in capital and small is similar, but difference is only of size. The capital O is big in size and the small print letter O is small in size. And O sounds O. O sounds O. O, orange. O, owl. The next letter is P. Next letter is P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Here you can see the small print P. Capital and small p both are similar like this. Capital P you can write and P small like this you can write. But the difference is that the capital P we write in first 3 lines and the small print P we write in last 3 lines. And the sound of P is P. The sound of P is P. P, parrot. P, penguin. P, pig. Q. Q. Here you can see the capital Q and here is small q. Make a little curve like C. Up, down and make a slanting line like this. Q. Q sounds qu. 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 Queen. Qu. Quilt. Qu. Quill. The next letter is R. Here is capital R and you can see the small r on the board. Standing line up, little curve like this. R. R sounds R. R sounds R. R rabbit. R rose. R ring. The next letter is S. Capital and small both S are same but size is different. Only the size is different. S. S sounds S. S. Snake. Snake. Sun. Sun. The next is letter T. Here is letter T, the capital T and the picture of tiger you can see here. T for tiger. T for tiger. Here is a small T, standing line, a little curve and a small slipping line here. T sounds T. T sounds T. T, tiger. T, toy. The next is U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U sounds A. Small print U. You can write like standing line, little curve, up, down. U sounds like umbrella, umbrella, U sounds umbrella. The next is V. V sounds V sounds V. V is also similar in capital and small, but the size is different. The capital V is big in size and small red letter is in small in size. V sounds V. V का sound क्या है? V. V का sound V. V van, V violin. The next is watch. Watch. V watch. W. W sounds V. V. This is also different in size only. V. Watch. V. Watch. In V, you can hear the sound V only, V. And in W, the sound is little bit different, V. V. V and V. X. The capital X and here is the small x. X sounds X. X. X makes the sound X. X. X for Xmas tree. X. And the xylophone. Xylophone. In this word, you can also hear the sound X. Xylophone. The next is Y. Y. Here I have the capital Y. And here is the small y here. Capital Y. In 4-line notebook, you write the capital Y like this in between first 3 lines, and the small y you have to write in last 3 lines. This is the difference only in capital and small y. Y sounds Y. Y, yacht. Y, yak. Y, yo-yo. The last is Z. Z. Capital and small z are same. Size is only the difference. Big and small size is the different only. So the sound of Z is Z. 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 Zebra. Z. Zoo. Now we will revise the sound again. A sounds A. A sounds A. B says B. B says B. C says K. C says K. D says D. D says D. E says A. E says A. A and E. The sound is difference is only a little bit here. A sounds A and E sounds A. A के sound में हम A का sound है A. We will speak it A, and in the sound of E we will say it A. 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 E sounds A. F says F. F says F. G says G. G says G. H says H. H says H. I says E. I says E. J says J. J says J. K says K. K says K. L says L. L says L. M says M. M says M. N says N. N says N. O says O. O says O. P says P. U sounds A. V sounds V. V sounds V. W sounds V. W sounds V. X sounds S. X sounds S. Y sounds Y. Y sounds Y. And Z sounds Z. Z sounds Z. So my dear students, now revise the phonic sounds again at your home. Bye-bye. Take care.